my god, I'm tearing here from the last video that I filmed. So right before this, I filmed another husband and wife video. It was Take the Bean Boozle Challenge. So we took turns spinning the wheel and just, I actually still have that nasty scent in my mouth from that jelly bean. I don't know how they do it, but they get that scent on point. Anyway, stay tuned for that short video coming up. Well, I'm here today to share some of my monthly favorites with you guys. So some of them may be a slight repeat from my recent video, which is my Christmas gifting ideas video. Oh, sorry. But in all fairness, it's great gift ideas and they were and still is my monthly favorites. So I'm just gonna jump in with the first one. Favorites are these masks. These are soft faux fur masks with little earmuffs for your ears. Not only is this gonna cover and protect your mouth area, it's actually very warm, so it'll keep you warm. If your ears are cold, it's covered too. These are super soft, nice and plush, and definitely reusable. I did mention that I've been exploring the drugstore skincare and makeup more often, only because I haven't stepped foot in a store like Sephora, Nordstrom's in like months, since what, March, February? So it's either online shopping or essential runs to Walgreens or Safeway, right? I love going to Walgreens to refill my Estes polish, maybe get some prescription medicine. So you know I'm gonna hit up the skincare and makeup aisle. I decided to try this face wash, and guys, I'm not a big avocado fan, but this is so smooth on the face. It's nice and creamy, it lathers up. Believe it or not, it is an exfoliator, but it's super, super gentle. It also has honey in this, so it's gonna be so refreshing on the skin. I mean, this smells so good. You could actually use this as a mask. You can go ahead and just leave it on for a few minutes and then rinse it off. Or you could use it like a regular face wash and rinse right after. Like I said, this exfoliator is really gentle that you can actually use it every day. I actually got this a few months ago and I don't know why I never talked about this. Now, it's not a beauty product, but it is for my dog, and we go out a lot, and sometimes we have his bowl that we take with him and we place in the car. Sometimes it just spills, or sometimes we go on a hike, or we're camping, or we're just somewhere where we can't place or get a bowl or a cup. This comes in handy. Basically, you fill this up with water and then you're gonna push this button. Water dispenses out of here. He drinks just enough water where it doesn't waste or spill. I know I'm gonna talk about masks again. This is another set made by another good friend of mine. His sister actually worked on these for months. I mean, ever since the lockdown back in March, a bunch of us placed orders, and what is it now, November? I finally just got these. So I chose a few different prints. So this one here, of course, is boba. I got one in the pink, also one in the blue. This here is a panda print and it's so cute. But one thing he had me make sure is that what it says on here. It says off. I know. So basically that just means you're too close to me, but that's what it says on this print. I also got one in a very pretty navy blue with some gold flowers. I also got a Giants one, but that one's actually a gift. These masks are great quality. It comes with a filter they can place in here. It also comes with this little metal plastic piece that you can put on the back through here, so it can actually hold nice and tight against your face, so there's no gap, so it's nice and flushed against the face. Looking at them now, I'm not sure if they're too big for me, but I gotta try it on with that little bridge thing, and hopefully it's nice and tight against the face. I don't know if you guys tried Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. What was this? The new summer items? So I think the popular items that she has is like a liquid blush that you can use for cheeks and lips. It's kind of like a multifunctional product. I actually got her Lippies. This is her lip kit that comes with a beautiful red and a nice natural mauve color. I actually featured this in my last video and I really like the formulation. Formulation is like a very velvety matte texture, and it is definitely a lip stain. The last time I tried it and I wiped it off, I thought it was because of the color I wore under, but it actually did stain my lips after wearing it throughout that video. So I thought this was a really good product because it's long wear, it's comfortable, it's not sticky or tacky, and believe it or not, it really does give like a natural look. Let's try this one on. I don't know if maybe my lips are super hydrated this week, and you guys know it's usually like dry and crusty, but with this formulation, right? It's like so smooth. It's like a very natural finish and color. I'm like, okay, Selena. My last favorites is actually a very expensive product, but I honestly decided I wanted to invest into something because one, we can't go out to spas or nail places to get facials. So I'm gonna do this at home myself. I've only used this twice, but so far those times that I use it, it was like relaxing. I'm not sure if you guys had facials before. And basically when you're laying there and pretty much sleeping, the steam is just going over your face. It's nice and warm, but it's not too strong or powerful. It just opens up your pores, it cleans your face. You can actually wear your serums or eye cream or night cream or face products while having the steam on the face, and it'll just help penetrate into the skin. I don't know, my skin has been breaking out. You might not see it, I feel it. I mean, I see it really bad. So I'm hoping by using this and really cleansing my face very, very well after wearing a full day of makeup, that it's gonna help. And that's basically it, guys. Don't forget to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because not only is a husband and wife video is coming up, I do have a giveaway. So please stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.